Welcome to Nylacarb. We are custom injection molders. At Nylacarb, we are a family business. Between myself and my two brothers, we have nearly 150 years of experience in injection molding. Typically, when people come to us that they already have existing products, they're having frustrations with either delivery, failures with their parts, so there's quality issues, and we work hard to work with them to determine where the problem is and how we can fix it for them. We put a plan together, we execute that plan as quickly as possible. One of the largest frustrations I hear from our customers about their experience prior to coming to us is that the communication they get is either poor or non-existent. We work really hard to make sure they know exactly the status of their production. They have direct communication with myself and my general manager. Procurement managers need to be looking for more than a vendor. They need to be looking for a partner, somebody that's going to be able to communicate well, somebody that will be on time with the deliveries and make sure they get excellent quality. Reach out to us. We want to make your part be the best it can be.